Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is extremely important for students, parents, young adults, and even children because it talks about something we all depend on every single second of our lives, our heart. As someone with a background in zoology and life sciences, I always say this: if you understand how your body works, you'll automatically start respecting it. Today, we'll cover two major things: the human cardiovascular system, its structure and function, bad eating habits, and how they slowly damage the heart without warning. By the end of this video, you will understand how your heart works like a machine, why heart diseases are increasing even in young people, how food choices can either protect or poison your heart. So grab a notebook, relax, and let's begin. So, what is the cardiovascular system? The cardiovascular system is also known as the circulatory system. It consists of heart, blood, blood vessels, which includes arteries, veins, and capillaries. The main function of this system is to transport oxygen, carry nutrients, remove carbon dioxide, remove waste products, maintain body temperature, and support immunity and hormones. In simple words, the cardiovascular system is the body's transport and delivery service. If the system fails, nothing else survives. The heart, its structure. Now let's talk about the heart, the star of today's video. Its location. The heart is located in the thoracic cavity, or the cavity above the diaphragm, slightly towards the left, between the lungs, and it is protected by the rib cage. When we talk about the size, it's about the size of your closed fist. Small but incredibly powerful. Covering. The heart is surrounded by a protective sac called pericardium. Now when we talk about the chambers of the heart has four chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. The right side handles deoxygenated blood, or the blood which is deficient in oxygen and rich in carbon dioxide. The left side handles oxygenated blood, or the blood which is rich in oxygen and deficient in carbon dioxide. Now let's talk about the valves of the heart. These valves prevent backflow of blood as the blood flows vigorously in blood vessels. So these valves prevent the blood from flowing backwards. There are actually four valves: tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, mitral or bicuspid valve, and aortic valve. These valves open and close like doors, ensuring blood flows in one direction only. Now let's talk about the layers of the wall of the heart. The heart has actually three layers: epicardium, which is known as the outer layer; myocardium, the muscular layer, it is the thickest, it does the pumping; and the endocardium, which is the inner lining of the heart. The myocardium needs continuous oxygen, which brings us to an important point: the coronary arteries. The heart has its own blood supply through coronary arteries. If these arteries get blocked, heart attack occurs. And guess what causes these blockages most often? Bad eating habits. We'll come to that soon, but for now let's talk about the blood vessels. The arteries carry blood from the heart. Its thick, elastic walls carry oxygenated rich blood, except the pulmonary artery. The veins carry blood towards the heart. It has thinner walls in compared to arteries. It has valves to prevent backflow. And last but not the least are capillaries, which are microscopic vessels, and these are the site of exchange of gases and nutrients from the blood into the cell and from cell into the blood. These are one-celled thick walls. Now let's talk about the physiology or circulation of blood. There are two types of circulation. Number one, pulmonary circulation, when the blood flows from heart to lungs and then again to the heart. In this process, deoxygenated blood goes to the lungs. It gets oxygenated and then returns to the heart. The second type of circulation is systemic circulation, when the blood goes to the heart, then to the entire body, and then returns again to the heart. This blood is oxygen-rich blood, which gets supplied to the tissues, and the waste like carbon dioxide and urea is collected from these tissues and gets returned to get pumped into the lungs for purification. This circulation happens non-stop, even while you sleep. Now let's talk about the physiology, how the heart beats. The heart beats due to electrical impulses. Its key structures are SA node or sinoatrial node, which is also known as the natural pacemaker of the heart, AV node, atrioventricular node, bundle of His, and Purkinje fibers. This system ensures proper rhythm, coordinated contraction, and efficient pumping. The normal heart rate is 60 to 100 beats per minute in an adult. Now, let's talk about why the heart is so vulnerable. The heart cannot rest. It needs continuous oxygen, is sensitive to toxins, fats, sugars, and stress. Even small lifestyle mistakes, repeated daily, slowly damaged it. And now we come to the most dangerous enemy, the bad eating habits and their effect on the heart. Excess junk food. Fast food is high in trans fat, high in salt, high in empty calories. Its effects: it increases bad cholesterol, also known as LDL. It causes artery blockage and leads to hypertension. Burgers today can lead to blocked arteries tomorrow. Excess sugar consumption. Sugary drinks, sweets, bakery items increase insulin resistance, lead to obesity, increase triglycerides. Its effect on the heart: higher risk of heart attack, increased inflammation, and fat deposition around the heart. High salt intake or the excess salt increases blood pressure because of high sodium in it. Sodium has a property to attract water. So where the sodium goes, the water grows. And as a result, the volume increases. And due to the increase in volume, the pressure of the liquid also increases, which in case this is our blood. Refined oils and trans fat. Repeatedly heated oils damage blood vessels and increase plaque formation. Its common sources are street food, fried snacks, and packaged food. Overeating and irregular eating. skipping meals, then overeating, disturbs metabolism, raises cholesterol, increases cardiac workload. Low fiber diet, lack of fruits and vegetables, poor cholesterol removal, slower metabolism, increased fat absorption. Fiber acts like a cleaning brush for arteries. The diseases caused by bad eating habits are atherosclerosis. It is also known as the narrowing of arteries. Hypertension, which is high blood pressure. The third one is coronary artery disease, heart attack or myocardial infarction, stroke. The scary part? These diseases start silently. Heart-friendly eating habits. To protect your heart, eat fruits and vegetables daily. Choose whole grains. Limit fried food. Reduce sugar. Drink enough water. And eat on time. Your heart doesn't need luxury. It needs discipline. So, your heart is not a machine you can replace easily. Every bite you take either heals your heart or harms it slowly. Bad eating habits don't kill instantly, they wait patiently. So respect your heart, feed it well, protect it early. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe because awareness today can prevent disease tomorrow. And thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.